I will be a junior in Marian Catholic High School in Chicago. I choose Amerigo Chicago because I feel like the weather in there is very beautiful and the environment is very peaceful. Also, the campus in Chicago is near the downtown. So if I have time, I can go to downtown or I can hang out with my friends so that I can have fun in Chicago campus besides studying. In Marian Catholic High School, one student will be required to have 7 classes for a day. So at school, the friends are very friendly and they helps me a lot. So it is not really hard to adjust to the school because everyone will provide you a support. I am a member of 4 clubs. The first one is math club, the second is service club, and 2 of the soccer and the fencing club. My day starts at 6:45 in the morning, and at 7:15 the bus will be in campus and provide us a trip to school. And then the school will start at 7:45 until 2:20 in the evening, and then I join some sport until 7 in the evening, and then and after that I go back home, I eat dinner, and then I go back to studying stuff for tomorrow, prepare for tomorrow. My dorm parents is really great, especially Anya, because she is a psychologist, so that she understands us a lot. One more thing is that I'm really interested when I'm studying in Amerigo campus is that like I can be myself. I can stay with the friends that's similar to my personality, so that I feel very like convenient. I feel very freedom. I think I just need one thing to say to them is that just be themselves, be confident, and so that is the best way they can fit to the US community.